Hello my students, how are you? Today we are going to talk about the math concept miscellaneous exercise on the ratio and its properties. Miscellaneous exercises on the ratio and its properties. We learned before the ratio is comparing between inequalities which have the same units. Today we will get a lot of exercises about miscellaneous exercises on the ratio and its properties, such that what if your teacher give you this example? Letter A, number 1, choose the correct answer. Letter A, the ratio between the weight of Omar to the weight of Hussam is 6:5, and the weight of Omar is 72 kilogram. Then the weight of Hussam equals space kilogram. First, we will write this paper, ratio between the weight of Omar to the weight of Hussam. It's okay. We have two lines. First, we will write the ratio between Omar and Hussam. Omar and Hussam 6:5. We write here 6:5. It's okay. And the another, we will write 72 kilogram under Omar, 72 here, because it's the weight of Omar, kilogram. Another step, we will write X here, and we will write X. X is refers to weight of Hussam. We will find the result between 5 times 72 over 6. We can simplify it. 72 divided by 6 equal what? Equal 12. 12 times 2 equals 60. So the weight of Hussam equals 60 kilogram. It's okay. We write 60 here. Write 60 here, 60 kilogram. It's easy for you. Again, I will write the weight of Omar to the weight of Hussam. First line, the ratio between the weight of Omar and Hussam 6:5, and the weight of Omar is 72 kilogram. Hussam, we will put X here. X here refers to the weight of Hussam. X equal 5 times 72 over 6. And another step, we can find the result by simple. 72 over 6 equal 12. 12 times 5 equals 60 kilogram. Question B. Letter B. Look at this question. If the sum of two numbers equals 105 and the ratio between them is 2 to 3, then the greater number is space. It's easy for you. We will solve it such that letter A. How we can solve it? Well, first we can write the ratio between first number and second number. First, 2 seconds. And sum. Okay, because he gives me the sum of two numbers equal 105 and the ratio between them equal 2 and 3. It's okay. 2 and 3. The first, 2 second, 2, 2, 3, and the sum of them equal 105. We will put 105 in the real number here. It's the real number and this is the ratio. So we have two lines. The first line, we write the ratio between first and second, and the sum of them equal 5, and we will find 100 divided 5 equal what? 100. 5 divided 5 equal, we can find the result by left hand side. 1 divided 5, we cannot do it. 10 divided 5 equal 2. 5 divided 5 equal 1. So the result will be 21. Another step, 21 times 2 equal 42. So the first equal 21 times 2 equal 42, the first number, and second number 21 times 3 equals 63, the second number equal 21 times 3 equals 63. It's okay. He wants the greater number. The greater number is 63. The greater number is 63. Okay, we will circle this result. The greater number. You want the greater number. It's okay. Again, 105 divided 5 is the value of one part. The value of one part. And then the result will be 21 times 2 and 21 times 3 to find the two numbers, the first and the second. The first will be 42 and the second will be 63. We want the greater number is 63. It's okay. Question letter C, another example. The ratio between the heights of two buildings is 3 to 4. If the height of the second one is 120 meters, then the height of the first equal space. So we will solve it such that example 1 and example 2. But in example 2 we have the sum, but in this example we haven't the sum. So we write the first and the second because the ratio between two heights is 3 to 4. We write here the first to the second. It's okay. The ratio between the height of two buildings is 3 to 4. Write 3 here, 2, 4. If the height of the second one is 120 meters, the second 120 meters. It's okay. Find the height of the first. We have two methods. We can write x here, the first method, we can write x here, and we will find the result between 3 and 120, and the result will be divided by 4. So we can write 4 here, 3 times 0 equals 0, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 1 equals 3. It's okay. Find the result by dividing. 36 divided by 4 equals 9, 0 divided by 4 equals 0. So the height of the first equal 90 meters. It's the first method, or someone can solve it by another step. He can find the part of 1, the value of the part 1, the value of the part equal. It's another step, يا ولاد. Okay, the value of the part of the value of one part. We can find the result between 120 divided by 4 equals 30 meters. And another step, the height of the second or the height of the first. The height, we want to find the height of the first. So we write the height of the first equal the value of one part, 30 times 3 times 3, count of parts. Okay, 3. The result will be 90 meters. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. We will start this choose 90. Letter D. Look with me. If the ratio between the number of boys with the number of girls in the school 2 over 3, and the total number of the pupils in the school is 600. Then the number of girls equal space. So we can find the result by the ratio between the number of girls and the number of boys. If you write the number of girls to the number of boys, we will inverse 3 to 2. But we must write the order. First, the number of boys. The number of boys to the number of girls. It's okay. The ratio between 2 over 3 convert to 2 to 3. We write it in this 2 to 3. 2 over 3 convert to 2 to 3. Okay, in this version, it's 600. The total, we will write total here. Total or sum. 2 plus 3 equal 5. And the total will be 600. Another step, we can divide 600 divided by 5. It's okay. Find the value of one part. Or we can write x, y. You have two methods to find the result. We'll solve it by two methods. First method. The first, we will find the value. It's okay. The first method, we will write the value of one part equal 600 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5 equal 12. 0 divided by 5 equals 0. Then we can find the number of boys equal 100. We need times 2 equal 2 times of 1 equal 2, 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 0 equals 0. 240 pupils. And the number of girls equal 120 times 3 equal 3 times 1 equal 3, 2 times 3 equals 6, 3 times 0 equals 0 pupils, 360 pupils. It's okay. Or someone we can find x and y. We can find x refers to the number of boys, 2 times 600 over 5, and we can find y. Y sign refers to the number of girls, y equal 3 times 600 over 5. The result will be 600 divided by 5 equal 120 times 2 equal 240 pupils. And or boys, and these are girls. The result will be here 600 divided by 5 equal 120 times 3 equal 360 girls. Okay. He wants in this example that the number of girls will be 360. So we will circle 360. Letter E. If the number of girls in a school equal half of the number of the students, then the ratio between the number of girls to the number of boys in this school equal space. We want the number of girls to the number of boys. Look at this, the ratio between girls and all students, half. So the boys will be half the number of students. So the number of boys equals the number of students. So we will choose this 1 to 1. Okay. Question F. Letter F. If the ratio between the weight of Ahmed to the weight of Hani is 4 to 5, then the ratio between the weight of Ahmed to the weight of Hani is 4 to 5, and the weight of Hani is 50 kilogram, then the weight of Ahmed is 6 kilogram. So we can solve it by the ratio between the weight of Ahmed, the weight of Ahmed to the weight of Hani, 4 to 5. It's okay. And then we write the weight of Hani is 50 kilogram. Hani 50 kilogram. Here we have two methods, such that we can write x here and find the x. X is the sign refers to, or letters refers to the weight of Ahmed. We can find the result between 4 times 50, and the result divided by will divide by 5. 50 divided by 5 equal 10. 10 times 4 equal 40. So the weight of Ahmed is equal 40 kilogram. It's the weight of Ahmed. It's okay. So we circle this. Question 2. Look with me. A football playground in shape of a rectangle. The ratio between its dimensions is 2 dimensions, 3 and 4. 3 to 4. If the first dimensions is 75 meters, find the second dimensions and the area of playground. We solve it. Who can solve it? We have the ratio between two dimensions, and the first dimension is 75. So we can find first the first to second, and the ratio between them 3 to 8. It's okay. First, the first to the second, 3 to 8, and the first dimensions is 75 meters. We will write 75 under 3. It's okay, and write x here under 8. We can find the result by cross x equal 8 times 75 over 3. 75 over 3 equal 25. 25 times 8, 5 times 8 equal 40, 0 and carry up 4. 2 times 8 equals 16 plus 4 equal 20. It's okay. The result will be 200 meters. What he want? He want the second dimensions and the area of playground. The area equal length times width. So the area will be length times width. The length will be 75 meters, and we have 2 meters, so length more than width. The length will be 200 meters, the first dimensions, and second dimension we will find the result of the area. It's called a rectangle. The area of rectangle length times width. So the area will be length times width. Why? Because we have a rectangle. The area of rectangle length times width. Length here 2 meters. Width 75. It's okay. That will be, we write double 0 here, 2 times 75 equal 150. Or you can find the result by times 2 multiply 75. 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 7 equal 14 plus 1 equal 15. So the result will be 15,000, and the unit will be meter square, so square meter. It's okay. Question 3. The ratio between Ahmed's scores to Ali's scores is 2 to 3. If Ali's score is 12 points, find the scores of Ahmed. So we can the ratio between the scores, Ahmed's scores to Ali's scores. Ahmed to Ali. 2 to 3. It's the ratio between the scores about Ahmed and Ali. 2 to 3. If Ali scores is 12 points, find the scores of Ahmed. So we can write X here. X letters refers to the scores of Ahmed, or Ahmed scores. X will be 12 times 2 over 3. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. It's okay. So Ahmed scores Ahmed's score equal, again, 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. We write 8 here. It's okay. 8 points. Understood it? Again, the ratio between Ahmed's scores to Ali's scores is 2 to 3. If Ali scores is 12 points, to find the score of Ahmed, first we write Ahmed to Ali, 2 to 3. The ratio between them. Ahmed, we don't know Ahmed scores. We want to find this, so we write X here, and Ali 12. So the result will be 12 times 2 over 3 equal 8 points. It's okay. Understood it? Okay. Question 4. Choose the correct answer in each of the following. If A to B equal 7 to 4 and A subtract B equal 15, then B equal space. Who can solve it? We can solve it by the ratio between A and B and the difference. Look at with me. A to B and A subtract B. 7, 4 and 3. A subtract B equals 3, and the difference will be 15. So we can write here A and B. A equal, we can find A by separate this and find the result between 15 times 7 over 3. 15 times 7 over 3. It's okay. Understood? Again, okay, we will separate this to find A. 7 times 15 over 3. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. 5 times 7 equal 35. And the P equal, we will separate A. When you want to find B, you must separate A. Okay? And another step, we will find the result between the mean 4 and 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. 5 times 4 equal 20. So P will be 20 and A equal 35. He wants P. B will be 20. We'll choose this number. Okay? Another step, or another method. Someone can find A to B to A subtract B, 7 to 4 and 3, and write 15 here and find the value of the one part. 15 over 3 equal 5. 5 times 7 equal 35. 5 times 4 equal 20. It's another method. It's okay, as you like. If you want to solve it, or this it's true, you will get the true number. It's okay, don't panic. It's easy for you, as you like. Letter B. Look at this question. Look at letter B. If A to B equal 5 to 7 and A plus B equal 33, then A equal. So we will solve it. A to B and A plus B. A to B equal 5 to 6 we will add a plus b equal 11, because 6 plus 5 equal 11. Then we write 33 here. It's okay. We will find the value of one part. The value of one part equal 33 over 11 equal 3. It's okay. Then a equal 3 times 5 equal 15. b equal 3 times 6 equal 18. So he wants a equal 15. Write 15 here. Circle this number. Okay. Letter C. If the ratio between the age of Huda to the age of Mona is 2 to 5, and the difference between their age is 9 years, then the age of Mona is space years. We want age of Mona. Okay, we will solve it by the ratio. First, we write. Look at with me the ratio between the age of Huda to the age of Huda to the age of Mona. Right, the age of Huda to Mona. The ratio 2 to 5. The ratio is 2 to 5. And the difference between their age, we write the difference. 5 minus 3 equal minus 2 equal 3, and the difference between their age equal 9 years. 9 here. It's okay. Another step. We can find the value of one part. The value of one part equal 9 over 3. 9 over 3 equal 9. The value of one part. Then the age of Huda equal 3 times 2 equal 6. 6 years. And the age of Mona equal 3 times 5 equal 15 years. It's okay for you? It's easy. Someone can find the result by write x here and y, and another method we can find x by disappear y and find 2 times 9 over 3. It's another method. Look at this method. It's very easy. You must know this method. It's very important for you. 2 times 9 over 3. 2 times 9 over 3. And we can find y by disappear x here and find the result between x 5 and 9 over 3. 5 times 9 over 3. And then find the x. X is the letter refers to the age of the Huda, and y is the letter refers to the age of Mona. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, years. It's first method and with another method as you like. In the example, you can solve by this method or this method. It's easier for you as you like. Okay. Letter D. If the parameter of rectangle is 40 centimeter and the ratio between its length to width is 3 to 2, then the area equals space centimeter power 2 or square centimeter. He give you the perimeter of rectangle is 40, so we can write length to width to perimeter. The perimeter of rectangle is 40 centimeter. And the ratio between length and width equal 3 and 2, length and width. We know the perimeter of rectangle, length plus width times 2. It's okay. So in this example, we will find the perimeter of length and width. 3 plus 2 equal 5, 5 times 2 equal 10. It's okay. We will write x and y. X refers to length, y refers to width. So we will write the value of one part. The value of one part equal 40 over 10 equal 4. It's okay. The value of one part, 40 divided 10 equal 4. So the length will be 4 times 3 equal 12. Again, 4 times 3 equal 12 centimeter. And the width, 4 times 2 equal 8 centimeter. So he wants the area. The area equal 8 times 12 equal 96 centimeter square centimeter. It's okay. Another method, someone can find the result by disappear. When you want to find the length, we will find the x, disappear y, 3 times 40 over 10 times the 40 over 10. The result will be 12 and 12 centimeter. And y, we will disappear L, 2 times 40 divided 10. 2 times 40 over 10 equal 8 centimeter. And the last, we will find the area, length times width. 8 times 12 equal 96 centimeter over 2 or square centimeter. It's easy for you. You must study hard this example. Okay. Question 5 and 6 and 7, you will solve it in your paper. Okay, or notebook. Goodbye, my students.